Our Hiligaynon word for the day is warik. Warik. When we say warik, that means to turn aside, move or shift aside, or to take another direction. Warik. Iwarik ang kangga sa wala, or warika ang kangga sa wala. That means turn the cart to the left. Wala is left. Iwarik ang kangga sa wala, or warika ang kangga sa wala. Nagwarik ang manibela. Nagwarik ang manibela. That means the steering wheel turned in another direction. Nagwarik ang manibela. And that is all about our Hiligaynon word for the day, warik, which means to turn aside, move or shift aside, or to take another direction. Warik. If you learned something new from this video, please don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Maraming salamat, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.